Now that we understand how to write MQL queries, let me touch a bit on MongoDB internals. As a NoSQL database, MongoDB documents are partitioned using the default ID field or any other key fields as specified. It is also replicated to handle failures. And as mentioned, it only offers eventual consistency if data propagation is delayed. The engine itself is designed to be simple, so no Salinger-style cost-based optimizer, only very simple optimization performed by matching patterns on the input queries are actually used. And while there used to be no cross-document transactions, in newer versions of Mongo, they have actually added support for it, although its performance is unclear as compared to SQL implementations. In summary, in this lecture, we talked about the origins of NoSQL and the different NoSQL data models out there. We then used MongoDB as an instance of JSON document stores, and we discussed its query language. The goal of this lecture is to show you how to evaluate a data management system by studying its data model and querying mechanism. Hopefully, you'll be able to do so in the future when you need to evaluate other types of data stores.